Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to change your Wix templates at 2026. So at first you will need to know that, or I want to note that you cannot switch templates directly in an existing Wix site. Also, each template is tied to a specific site, so changing templates means creating a new site. The content does not automatically transfer, so you'll need to manually copy text, images, and pages. So at first, or the first step is to back up your current site. So before switching templates, you will need at first to go to the dashboard or to go to your site. So I advise you to go and click on your site, right? And after that, just go and click on design the site. The option is located on the top right of the page. And after that, I do want you to go and click here on the search, and after that select the search bar and type right there site actions. Okay, so scroll until you can see the site actions right here. So we are not going with that one. What I want to do is to go with dashboard, okay, and then just go with duplicate site and click on it. Okay, so that's where you can make a copy of it, and this creates a backup in case you need it later. Okay, so the second step is to create a new site with new templates. So go back to the Wix homepage, just here, and after that go with my site option next to the Wix logo on the top left corner and click on create new site. So right now you will need to choose if you want to chat with AI or set up without chat. So actually most of people just choose chat with AI, and yeah, you can take some advices from the AI, and after you're finished just go and click on in chat and continue. So right here, you will need to choose your category, like blog, portfolio, online store, etc. So for example, go with online store, then continue. So actually, you will need just to set up your site right here. So yeah, as you can see right now, it's preparing our dashboard. So we all need to wait a few moments. And so right now, everyone, we created our site. We can design it just from here. So actually, when you click on design site, you will be forwarded into the Wix site editor. So actually, we'll go with generate a design with AI, for example, or customize a template. So we'll go with pick a template actually on that video. So just click on that option. And in the same time, go back to your old site, okay? Open it, and then go ahead and click on design site, right? So you can go and over on a template, then just click view and then edit, or you can just go with a blank template. So actually we'll go with a blank template, for example. We'll go with edit, and then yeah, so right now I want you to copy the contents from the old sites. That's why we open it on the Wix website editor too, and the new sites on another Wix website editor. So you only just go copy paste it right there. So actually copy text manually or export images, paste or upload content into the new templates, recreate menus, pages and links, and keep a list of all pages to make sure nothing is missed. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.